Hello guys, welcome to another episode. I'm gonna wash the truck 2004 Ford F250. Give it a wash, just a maintenance wash. The reason why I'm doing it is because it's really dirty. It needs a wash, but also I wanna try this new Hydro Speed from Chemical Guys. This is a new ceramic quick detailer. I'm gonna try this one on his own. She's fully washed. Now rinse time, and then we can apply the Hydro Speed. The truck is clean and dry now. When you apply your Hydro Speed, follow the instructions. Don't apply this on direct sunlight, and make sure that the paint is cold to the touch. First time using this product, probably just like any other quick detailer. I know it has SiO2. Probably it's gonna have some water beading and water sheeting, but we'll see. I don't expect this product to do much other than a quick detailer. It's not gonna be super shiny. Yeah, feels a little bit soft, more than the other door. Yeah, definitely. So it does add some protection, definitely. And yeah, I can tell the difference. Same, it's not super shiny. The only difference that I notice is on the touch. This part is really soft, definitely. Spread the product around, turn your towel, and then just give it a little shine. Yeah, it's a lot shinier than before, definitely. Another benefit of Hydro Speed, you can use it on glass, you can use it on your headlights, tail lights, you can use it everywhere. So I'm gonna apply on the windshield and all the windows too. Guys, I'm not even mad about it. I think it was just gonna be another detailer, but I like it. It's really smooth, paint looks really good. It's not super perfect, it's not gonna eliminate scratches or anything, but it's gonna give it some protection. And look at this, really slippery. I'm happy with it. For the price, kinda high, but I can't complain. I didn't use a lot, and I covered the whole truck, glass, windows, headlights, tail lights, and the whole paint, chrome on the bumper and grill. And I think for the price, it's kind of high, but I think I can do a lot of cars with this little product. So I'm gonna put the link in the description for everything that I use on this episode. Yeah, it works really good. I'm happy with the results. Paint just feel amazing, and I like it. I do approve it. This is the soap that I use with my foam cannon, and everything's gonna be linked in the description of this episode. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.